Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 26th of January 2022. Yeah, I'm going to give you all an ADA coin update today. You guys can see from my price chart that the market did not go the way that I expected it to go. And instead of it going up, it went down. So I'm going to speak on that today. And then I'm going to show you all what I'm looking forward to into the market in ADA going forward so that we can ensure that we get in position to win in the market. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do all the price predictions basically off of the price chart. I don't come through and try to confuse you all regarding a lot of articles, a lot of technical analysis. No, I just simply look at what the money is doing so that we can get a better understanding as to what they're trying to move the market so we can get in position. So if you guys appreciate the video, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. And as well, if you guys want to get the latest price prediction, come here to my YouTube channel right here. Go to my playlist, and this is where all of my price predictions are at. Every last one of them that I've conducted, it is here in one of these playlists. So to make sure you're interested in one particular type of cryptocurrency, come here, click on the video, scroll down, go to the latest one to see what my thoughts are regarding these cryptocurrencies. Now, let me get back to this though. Yeah, I don't like what happened into the market in ADA. I was looking for this particular cryptocurrency to go up, and instead it went down. And it goes that way sometimes. And this particular type of situation, it went down fast. It didn't take a couple of weeks. It didn't take a couple of days. Matter of fact, it started going down the next day that I've done the price prediction. It kind of shows you how weak the market in ADA was. I mean, we only saw the market come all the way up there to $1.60, and it came down since then. And here we are today at an area that I identified back there on the 18th of January. Can you see that? Yeah, we're nesting right there at $1. I brought that up in my last video on the 18th. So here we are today. So yeah, this one didn't go right. I'll take the hit on that one. This prediction did not go the way that I expected it. So now what do? You chalk it up, get back in position, shake it off, and make sure you win on the next one. So check this out. If you were to get out now, you'd be down around 27%. Okay. So let me get rid of that. And now we need to talk though, because like I said, I mentioned that the buyers need to come into the market in ADA right there around $1. You guys can see we're doing it now. So this is going to be real important on this update for ADA. We need to see the buyers maintain $1, because if it does, then we know that we are at a great prime opportunity to buy up this currency on the low, meaning we're looking for the price to go up. Now, let's not forget though. Okay. I don't want nobody to forget that ADA is in a downtrend. Yes. So the overall market is in a downtrend for ADA. So can we see a small spurt, a small move higher in price off of this $1 level? We sure can. But let's not get complacent. Let's not start talking all of this moon talk and the market in ADA is going to explode up higher to $5. Nothing like that. Let's bring this back down to earth. Let's be a little more realistic in terms of what we're looking at. You guys can tell. It was the third time that the market in ADA confirmed the downtrend. This is why we know that this is a valid trend right now. So now, what do you all think we're going to do? This is the area of concern right here. I already know it. This is the area that we need to really focus in on ADA's price. The buyers need to uphold $1 and the sellers need to come in on that descending line. This is where the battle is being waged. All right. So let's see what we got on a different time frame for ADA. Let's look at this on a 2-day time frame real quick. As I zoom in on this chart, you guys can see that this volume is increasing down here towards $1, which is fantastic because it lets us know that the buyers are doing a good job at trying to keep the price elevated. They're trying to stop the price from falling right there at $1. Now, it doesn't mean that we're done though. So let's take a look at this on the 3-day. So this is ADA right here on the 3-day time frame. This is a probable precursor of strength right here. Okay, this current 3-day price bar, meaning on this current one we got a day and 12 hours left. We need to see this market in ADA close above it. Now, I'm not massively bullish because as we've been trending lower and lower in price since September of last year, we've been breaking some very key areas of support. So even if I were to see the buyers come in and they successfully hold this $1 area, we might still get rejected at $1.20 and still see this price continue its decline. That is why I'm not going to be massively bullish into the market in ADA. and we still be on a decline. So we could hit 120, we could hit price could hit this descending line and come all the way back down as well. So I don't want everyone to be complacent and think that we're done with this down move, because we're not. Especially when you look at this on the 3 weeks. Okay, this 3-week time frame right here into the market in ADA shows us that. Okay, you guys can see the volume here is heavy, and this last 3 weekly price bar, it kind of is mixed, right? A lot of other market participants saw price in ADA come down to this $1 level. I mean, we've been hugging a dollar before, so it's not like we never came to a dollar and the market wasn't supported. This is why we saw this price in ADA close up here off of the lows right there, because they see it as a fantastic price to come in and buy ADA. But the question is, we're in a massive downturn though. This is a very strong movement lower, which is why the buyers got a daunting task ahead of them to make sure that they keep the price above a dollar. So I'm not really all that convinced, especially when you look at this on the monthly. You can see this on the monthly time frame here in ADA. Yeah, can we see price support at a dollar? Yes, we can for a couple of days, and that's probably about it. But when we look at this from a monthly perspective, this is still massively weak. What about on the 5 weeks? It's even worse on the 5-week time frame. We got 11 days though, but still, this looks weak. So I think the most important number on today's video is $1. Price in ADA needs to stay above $1. Okay, so now looking at this on an hourly time frame, I can see buyers coming into the market right now. This is pretty good for us to see maybe a small spurt movement higher. Yes, I can see this. What about on a 3-hour? Can you still see the strength here into the market in ADA? Yes, but I'm not going to be massively bullish. I'm going to keep it real with all of my subscribers to show you what I'm seeing in the market in ADA. So I think on this video, I'm going to place some strength into the market in ADA, but maybe to $1.10, $1.15, no higher than $1.20. Yes, it is what it is. We are simply in the market just to get what the market is offering to us. We cannot dictate what we want from the market. So I'm looking around maybe $1.10, $1.15, $1.20, and that's about it. So let's see what we got if we're looking for the price in ADA to go up, right? Now, everything's going to be contingent on this dollar price. We need to see the buyers uphold it, period. So I said $1.10 is first. That's about 3%. Like I said, we cannot come in here and try to be greedy with the market. Next area will be around $1.15. That's around 8%. And then again, no higher than $1.20. Okay. It's about 12% movement to the upside in ADA. 12%. That's pretty good. That's decent. Now, let me lower the support area into the market in ADA though, because I want us to compensate just in case the price dips down just a little bit further than $1. Right? But definitely we need to see this price uphold $1 in ADA. Okay. So now let me get rid of this. I think you guys can see my expectations. This is only for a small stint. I'm not looking for this to occur in the long run. All right. I'm not. This bullishness that I'm seeing on the chart right now from an hourly perspective, this literally has to play out relatively soon, a couple of days or so. Right. So I'm going to place some strength here into the market in ADA. I got $1.10, $15, and $1.20. Those are my 3 price targets here into the market. Long term, that is where the weakness is still being seen. So from a long-term perspective, you still need to be prepared for this price in ADA to continue this down move right here. Okay. So that is it. It is your turn. I got the comment section open so that you all can learn how to predict prices as well, to see where you think the market is going to go. So drop your price prediction real quick. Let me know where you guys think the market in ADA is going to go over the next 5 days. Where do you think the price is going to go? Just try it out, because you really want to learn how to do this for yourself, so you know when to get in and when to get out into the market in ADA. All right. So this is it. Hit me up. Let me know. Appreciate everyone taking the opportunity out to see the video. Hopefully you have learned something from my price prediction, because this is not confusing. The market is not meant to be confusing, but everyone else out here is trying to make it confusing for you to make it think that it's a hard thing to do, but it's not. So let me know real quick. Thank you to all of our subscribers. You guys can see that our subscribership is growing up. which is a fantastic thing because it lets me know that a lot of people are interested in learning how to read price charts. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.